Okay, so we're asked to find the maximum revenue. So we have this function here. We know it goes down because the a value here is negative. So we want to find this point right here, the highest point, the maximum point. So that would be the highest point of the parabola. So that would be the vertex. So we learned that there is a formula. We could complete the square, but there's also a formula to find x, which x is the computers here. So to find how many computers must be sold, we need to use our formula. And we're going to plug in b, which is 40, and a, which is -2. So we get x equals 10. But if we go back to read, it says x is in 100 computers. So it's not 10 computers must be sold, it's 100 computers. So if we take 10 and multiply it by 100, we would get 1,000 computers. Now, we're not going to plug in the 1,000 though, because if we go back and read here, it says the monthly revenue in thousands of dollars right here. So we're going to take that 10 and plug it in. So we're going to take the 10, so we got x equals 10. So we're going to go back to the original equation and plug in a 10. And now simplify this. Okay, so once we plug in the 10, we get 435. So that's not $435. If we go back to the original problem, it's in thousands of dollars. So we have to, that means it's $435,000. So in other words, we're going to multiply that by 1,000. And we would get 435,000. So to answer our question here, what is the maximum monthly revenue? So 435,000, and how many computers? 1,000.